The carnivorous pitcher plant. The pitcher plant is any carnivorous plant that has pitcher-shaped leaves that create a passive fall trap. There are several families that pitcher plants fall into that include Old World pitcher plants and New World pitcher plants. Pitcher plants live in poor soil conditions, which is what facilitates the need to form a trap for the missing nourishment. They are found in a wide range of habitats, from barrens to coastal swamps. They rely on their carnivorous nature to obtain nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen. Some specialized pitcher plants even utilize animal feces or fallen leaves. Pitcher plants typically found in North America and parts of South America live in swamps, bogs, and in wet and sandy meadows. Soils in these areas are typically saturated with water. They are acidic and they lack nutrients. The traps in this family usually look like pitchers or trumpets and usually capture insects. Prey or food is attracted to the trap by nectar that coats the mouth or lip of the trap and descends downwards into the pitcher. Inside the pitcher, just below the mouth, is incredibly smooth and slippery, leading to a pool of liquid at the bottom of the trap where the insect will fall down and drown. The insect is then digested by enzymes secreted by within the leaf. Some traps, like in the common pitcher plants, have downward pointing hairs that prevent the prey from escaping until it drowns in the trap. Another type of pitcher plant is the cobra pitcher plant. This plant is native to swamps in mountain areas of California and southern Oregon. It's named after its hooded-shaped leaves, which resembles a striking cobra. The plant has purple-red appendages that appear like a snake's forked tongue or a set of fangs. The cobra plant doesn't produce digestive enzymes like the other pitcher plants. Instead, it needs to rely on bacteria to break down its food. The tropical pitcher plant is native to Madagascar, Southeast Asia, and Australia. These plants typically grow in very acidic soil and are perennials, though few live on the branches of trees. These plants are featured in this video. They have lids that secrete nectar to attract insects, which fall into the trap and are unable to escape due to downward pointing hairs and incredibly slippery walls. This type of pitcher plant includes a critically endangered variety, which is one of the largest of all carnivorous plants, reaching 1.5 meters tall in size, and which can produce pitchers that are nearly 12 inches in diameter. A pitcher plant of this size is actually capable of catching and digesting rodents as well as other small animals. Besides this unique type of pitcher plant, in areas where there is a lack of insects, there are pitcher plants in this family that have evolved to utilize animal feces as a source of food to survive. One such example uses large amounts of nectar in the pitcher lid to attract the mountain tree shrew. This non-slippery pitcher is incredibly sturdy, and while the tree shrew feeds, it uses its large opened mouth as a toilet and collects the nutrient-rich manure. There are several other pitcher plants known to use this method, one of which is known to have lost its ability to actually digest insects. And finally, there is yet another species that uses an elongated pitcher trap to provide a resting place for a woolly bat and then feeds on its guano. Pitcher plants have certainly evolved many tricks in order to find nutrients in otherwise impossible growing areas. From insects to animal waste, they have managed to adapt to whatever is available and survive impossible odds.